When these album release, this now go able to tell we who are the real goat in a dancehall.
A few moments later.
Hey, just act like your butt.
Alright.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, you don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know a thing set. Yeah, man. So people, me see this album thing I go on. You don't know, me see them a put up. I try to talk about Masicka, Alkaline and Kartel album and all of them like a thing there, brother. I don't know. The last time I see Masicka say I go release album in a 2024. Then 2025 pass, no album release. Right? After 2024. And then in a 2026 now, we see him put out say yo album go drop December, it no bad drop. Because after Alkaline they release a winter album. I don't know, it's like it come like when Alkaline drop album in a 1 year, everybody want to compete. But them remember say Alkaline have a number 1. The other rest are 2 and up. You understand? Yeah. So you don't know a different level that. Cause 2 no better than 1, 3 no better than 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 no better than 1. You understand? Yeah. So we see guys a man run out and attack a bag of things, but me really want to know here what I say.
Jamaica, the battle for dancehall supremacy is here. We are going to know who are the king. We are going to know who are the goat. We are going to know who are Masicka. We are going to know who are Alkafish. We are going to know who are Kartel or who are whatever. The battle for dancehall supremacy is here. 3 dancehall heavyweight them. Masicka, Alkaline, and Vice Kartel is about to drop an album in a 2026. So now, when these album release, this now go able to tell we who are the real goat in a dancehall. Everybody have who them say a goat, you know. Vendetta have Alkaline as the goat. Genocide have Masicka as the goat. Gaza have Vice Kartel as the goat. This is dancehall. Make we use music and tell the tale. We now use past music. We are use present music. Make we see what will happen with them 3 albums when them drop. Bear in mind, the last time Alkaline drop an album was about 2021. Masicka drop album regular. Vice Kartel recently released. This will be his 2nd album since it released. 2026 is gearing up to make dancehall really know who are the goat.
Then people, me not understand what I go on. See, me never know say releasing album after do nothing with goat now. When since we start use album for see who is the goat? In people, when since we use album for say who is the goat? Me not understand this. And it's so funny, you know, people. How in this year 3 album a drop from the 3 man them we have a talk in a dance. Me not understand. Something that seems funny right there, so. You understand? Because remember, you know, the last time Alkaline drop album, right, was 2021, which Masicka drop for him 438. Him wait till Alkaline drop for him and then drop for him after, right? Alkaline drop one since about 5 years now, right? Masicka drop GOK, I think in 2023. Yeah, right? Him drop a EP where nobody not talk about it. Now in this year now, him say come out December album for drop, you know. And it no drop. So when Alkaline say yo album and up and all of them little thing there, we see them a drop album. You understand? So me say alright, that a go on. But remember say brother, Alka done gone number 1 already, brother. You understand? The man done gone number 1 already. And remember say the album we a drop, it a get pushed by the label. Where Masicka go drop. You understand? And we don't know a bag of collab, you know me, I say with the Kartel project, a bag of collab got upon it with some big artists and this and that. But I don't know why the comparison with this goat thing, brother. Because I realize that every little thing when I try if you know, when I try if add in Alkaline in it. I don't know if you not try use Alkaline. Because I know enough of them are waiting, you know. Them want Alkaline drop film album first. You understand? But look here now. Because them not realize, you know, people remember say Billboard take off YouTube as them streamer. You understand? Remember that. Remember say Alkaline, them I sort out them app. You understand? Because the album releasing thing gonna be different, you know. January we're gone, you know. The game change with this album thing. I remember say YouTube, I one of the thing we give we most our streams. And that now depend Billboard again. So we are gonna see who have the real fan base we are gonna support music. You understand? Because Alkaline have a #1 album and him have a #2 album on the Billboard chart. Kartel have a #2 and some other more. Okay, you don't know Kartel release a lot of album and thing. See? But him have a #2. See? Alkaline have a 1 and a 2. Masicka have just 2, I think a 2 album where chart 2 on the #2 on the Billboard chart. See? But right now, New Level Unlock is a masterpiece. You understand? Right now, Alkaline could have just go on show and just perform the whole album there, all of the tracks on it. Trust me, it would have been crazy. The fans them are gonna sing out that. You understand? That album where Alkaline drop, that put the recognition in a dancehall when it come to album releasing. When Alkaline, remember I said before, nobody never did a really pre-album like that. You understand? Nobody never did that pre. But you see when Alkaline dropped the album there, it's like, yo, it just opened the windows. They say, yo, if Alkaline put out just a great project, yo, this, you know, and it got drop #1 on Billboard, and nothing normal. You understand? Cause, brother, this good thing and album thing, bro, it don't even make no sense. Because at the end of the day, when you got talk about album releasing, bro, Billboard alone tell you Alkaline have a #1. You understand? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline a lead. You see, if Masicka did their #1, same thing. You know that if Kartel did their #1, same thing. But Masicka only stuck at #2. You understand? The EP, when drop, it never make the Billboard chart. You understand? But this album release thing, it all boiled down to the fans supporting the artists. We see what with Kartel project them when my drop, it's very lacking of support. And he have such a big fan base. You understand? So that's why more why I have to cuss some of the Gaza fan them. Come here and say, brother, una support Kartel in a way where, brother, that's just a fair moment. Support the man album, that's a lifetime support. You understand? Because when you put the Billboard, when you put the album, them a #1 and all of them little thing there, it's a good look for say, yo, you see me? But Kartel forward out. Before him forward out, him drop one name, Party With Me, seen, and him drop one with, I think, Vikings himself, something like 10 years, and then him drop Heart and Soul. Only Vikings drop a #10. You understand? Vikings alone. When I see the numbers for Party With Me, when I see the numbers for Heart and Soul, I think Vikings sell like 908 copy. But you don't know, them put out something about less than 2,000. I say, brother, I don't know if you do much, because we're supposed to round off the thing to the nearest 1,000, bro. You understand? Yeah. Or the nearest 100, whatsoever. But it should have been less than 1,000. You see me? But it shows, say, yo, some of the guys fan them not really a pre-music, you see? Them only a pre, social media presence and all of them little thing there. You see me? I just them thing of them pre. But them have the artists out there. You know, it's a release project. Because when I see them a release project and then the man them are going to say, so I say, after I put out so much album, bro, and now I'm going to say this one official, I don't understand, bro. Sometimes I feel like, say, bro, if you're going to release something, brother, you see me? Especially if you do it more than one time, bro, and you're supposed to promote the thing, bro. That's all, brother. It don't make no sense. Promote the thing, brother. For you do an album, say you do an album with 10 track or 8 track and you do sit down in a studio, sweat all of them little thing there, bro, put in the work, and if you know, say, yo, you just drop the thing and not promote it. I feel like, say, yo, bro, that's some waste of time. You understand? So, finally, in 2026, them say Kartel got drop an official album. You understand? Distribute and one bag thing I go on. We're going to see how well this I go do, how well this Gaza fans are going to support Kartel music, because we see it from the day one with the rest of the album them. You understand? I don't know. You know, because you don't know the Gaza fans them, some of them go to work. You see me? Because look, in everything you have good and bad, you know. So you have good Gaza fans and you have the bad one them. You understand? But it's like the bad one them not really dig into the music like that. Them more for forward on the internet. These people bring down where this and that, this the boss and this and you know that's what them do. That's what them really focus on. You see me? I remember one time Kartel post something and him say, yo, we not support music. You see me? Yeah, them not really. Kartel release a lot of albums. A lot. You see me? You hardly can find the sales on some of them. You see me? So them need to do what them have to do, but I don't know this good thing with this album release thing and all of them things. Because at the end of the day, bro, the album will drop and all of the fan base them just support them artists. That's all. I don't know when since this good thing come up. You understand? Them a try pulling this money and some competition thing. But better you say, yo, fi see which one of the fan base them support the most. But we know say Masicka don't really have that type of fan base because he was in the Gaza them time. The Gaza did a rep him. Gaza did the most support him. So now the Gaza pull the plug. Yeah man, the Gaza pull the plug now. So we got actually see. Come always tell people say, yo, if Masicka do a solo project, I'ma really see it. I always say, more than want to see Masicka do a solo project, if you see him push, like if him really have that, you know, that talent, like that story there, I'ma see it in the EP. You see it? Nobody not at them. This one, the EP, everything. I tell them already. The 2 projects where Masicka dropped. The whole guys and the whole, you know, the other artists, them give him the strength on the album. The Spice, Popcorn, Lila Ike, Devin, what name? Dexter Dap. All of them artists give him on him project. Him even have some foreign artists on it. Same way. You understand? Yeah, you don't know Popcorn and the other artists them were dead and you know, give him the strength on the album. But I always want to say, cause remember, Alka have him solo thing them, him solo album them. You understand? And yo, me not lie. When you do a solo album and yo, and that hit the Billboard number 1 or 2, yo, that's a masterpiece. You understand? That's a masterpiece, bro. And nobody can deny New Level Unlocked. That was a great album. Like the album there, me I tell you people, like me see when Alkaline performing at the UK, I'm listening to the song them where they on the album, we sing in the album. Me go on TikTok and me and say, yo, people still amazed, like them I say, yo, 2016 from the album and people still remember ATM them sang there and City and yo, that was a master. Great album that me I tell you. The album there, tough. It never miss. You understand? Yeah, it never miss people. So right now, every artist just do them thing and release them project. But the good thing and that what they go with nah, that don't even make no sense. Better you just say, yo, we are gonna see who for fan base actually the real fan base will support them artists musically. Yeah, more pre panda level. But the good thing, nah, brother. No. You understand? Cause me see a bag of people that post and they must say, yo, Alkaline this and that for drop album and well, we know say Alkaline have the law set of fans them already, so we know things set and like everybody want to hear Alkaline album. You understand? Because remember, when Alkaline drop song, you know, everybody and them mother talk about it. And if I hate them, I hate and them say, yo, this not good, them are reacted. Because you know why? We not see them do that with other artists song when them drop. Other artists just drop song, bam. When Alkaline drop, no emotions were there. All for 1 week people attack. Yo, people are pull up. Yo, who am I talk about? Yo, who am say so? Yo, where this, that. That's Alkaline. Everybody I look out for him song. Some man drop song, brother, and he's like, yo, bro, you support the artist in the dog. You only put up so you only push where man a buy and this and that. And when the man drop song, you not push that. You understand? None of that you not do. You see me, but me look at now, the vendetta people them a wait for the album, you know. You understand? Them a wait for the album, but as me say, them not understand say, brother, the album thing changed since January. You understand? Because Billboard, I think, yeah, Billboard say, yo, there's no more streaming from YouTube add to them thing. Enough for album them, you know. Where the man, you see the man them deduct some streams and everything, you know, brother. I don't really know what's going with YouTube and what's going with Billboard. I don't know what's going between them. But that, yo, that are gonna be a different thing. That are gonna be a different scenario. So the thing changed right now. I tell you, the thing actually changed. So I'm glad say Alkaline and him team create a structure like, you know, a app for say yo him fans them can go support this, and you know, as a fan you would love to see you have your artist app for like, you know, go supporting music or whatever product him have out there. You understand? Yeah man. But you know, everybody a look out. You see, me know say Alkaline album, everybody a watch what go on, you know. That I go I cause a bag of thing in the media, you know. But people, when you done know, you know, I want media facts, there's no other, you see me, that is it.